Fast round
with
Mom is with
F.
and G.
And we still have here our former president of SAPS.
Yes. At Australia, Melong, of course.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
So, handa ka na ba?
Yes, I'm ready.
Isang tanong, isang tanong.
Yes.
Favorite Canadian holiday?
Canada Day.
Oh, who's your favorite student since teacher ka?
Who?
Yeah.
I have a lot of favorites.
Okay.
Alright.
Don't bring
Yeah.
that.
Okay, coffee or tea during ano?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Most unforgettable student-teacher moment.
When someone asked me what I felt during observation.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Sweetest thing your husband did for you?
Taking me on a trip.
Oh,
Favorite subject teaching.
Math.
Oh, wow.
Matt, what thing your kids do that melts your heart?
When they hug me and tell me they love me.
Oh,
Your favorite couple act or gesture.
Couple.
Gesture, like your...
Oh, we're smiling together. Yeah.
Perfect.
me? If your kids could describe you in one word, ano kaya yon sa tingin mo?
Me?
Yeah.
Giggly.
Yeah, obviously. Who says sorry first during an argument?
My husband.
Ah? Very typical.
I'm always right.
Really? You're the boss? Okay.
When he's wrong, he needs to say I'm right.
Okay. What do you miss most about being a president of SAPS?
Oh.
Being able to be with our friends all the time.
Oh, yeah. And yung mga meeting siya.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Last?
funniest ma'am mo.
Ah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am mo.
Okay.
Well, we know ano ka talaga, happy person ka talaga.
Yeah.
What's the funniest so far?
When Ethan
Tatawa na. Tatawa na ako agad.
when Ethan told me that I was speaking so loudly about a person right in front of me.
Another typical Filipino.
You know, you
Alam mo sila yung mga alam mo galit lagi. Kasi pag-usap lang naman.
Oh,
Diba?
natin snores.
Snow or init?
Oh, snore init.
Both, siyempre. Ako yung sumagot.
Okay, Canada or Philippines?
Canada.
Oh,
Canada.
Canada.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
mga ka-join.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yun lang, tapos na.
Thank you for this beautiful journey. Thank you for the love you give.